Hi, it's Vincent. Let me invite you to my lectures on bioenergetics. It starts with the physics and the biophysics, the fundamental rules that are into play within the cell and the DNA, how we interplay with light and water and how we produce this wonderful bioenergy. Then it looks how this bioenergy propagates through all the levels, from the cell to our tissue, to our organs and systems and body, and outside in our biofield. And then we will explore every single of the human physiological systems, like the cardiovascular system, like the lymphatic system, and etc. And we will visit how exactly bioenergetics is into play. And then we'll spend one big section on immunology, cancerology, and bioenergetic. All this about cell renewal, cell elimination, and how this works, and how we can heal basically cancer through bioenergetics. And then we will examine how the brain is working. So all the neurobiology, it's centered on our limbic system, and it will be extremely interesting, I guarantee you. Then we go into the thought, our memory, our emotions, our consciousness, how does it physically works, and then and dynamically, of course, and geometrically. And then we'll go into our biofield. How is it organized? What is its architecture, and how can we work with it to heal people, and you will get a diploma after these 40 hours of lectures over 2 months. You will get a diploma. I will deliver a diploma, and it will be very helpful for your practice of natural medicine. Yes, you are welcome.